Most people get social tagging wrong by assuming it's complicated, but tagging someone on X, formerly Twitter, is actually very simple. Today, I'll show you step by step how to do it so your mentions are noticed. First, when composing a tweet, type the symbol followed immediately by the person's username. For example, if you want to tag XS support account, type at Twitter support. Most people get this wrong by adding spaces or typos, which means the tag won't notify the person. Second, as you type, X will suggest usernames that match what you are entering. You can tap or click on the correct one to ensure accuracy. This is helpful if you don't remember the exact spelling. Most people get this wrong by guessing usernames, which can result in tagging the wrong account or nothing at all. Third, you can tag multiple users by repeating the username process for each person. Keep in mind that adding too many tags in a single tweet can be seen as spammy, so use it thoughtfully. If you're tagging someone in a reply to their tweet, you don't need to start with their username. It will automatically appear in the conversation. This is a feature most people get wrong by over-tagging in replies unnecessarily. Finally, remember that tagged users will receive a notification, so tagging is a great way to draw attention or involve someone in a discussion. Most people get this wrong by assuming the tag is optional. It actually plays a key role in engagement. In conclusion, tagging on X is easy. Type at, add the username, double-check spelling, and use tags wisely. Most people get this wrong by overcomplicating the process, but following these steps ensures your mentions work every time. Subscribe for more practical social media tips that make your online interaction smarter and more effective.